Hello friends, how are you? Okay, so today I'm going to say some chords, but in the meantime, you can enjoy the beautiful nature. Okay, so I'm going to start my chords. My first chord is if you want the rainbow, you have to deal with the rain. Eventually, you will end up where you need to be with who you are meant to be with and doing what you should be doing. How beautiful it is to find someone who asks for nothing but your company. We don't meet people by accident. Everyone is meant to cross our path for a reason. Not everyone will make it to your future. Some people are just passing through to teach you lessons in life. Remember, when you forgive, you heal, and when you let go, you grow. Happiness mainly comes from our own attitude rather than from external factors. When someone says you have changed, yes, I recently updated my version. That's the problem with being the strong one. No one offers you a hand. Sometimes you just need an adventure to cleanse the bitter taste of life from your soul. I love places that make you realize how tiny you and your problems are. Go out into the world with your passion and love for what you do and just never give up. So, guys, thank you so much. So, that's it. Bye.